question with the different nested conditionals. So what you would want to do first here is think about where for which values of num this statement is false. So let's look at this first part of the conditional statement. So we only enter into this if num is greater than 0. Then if num is greater than 0, we only enter into here if num is greater than or equal to 100. And then B1 would be assigned the value of false. So B1 is assigned, the Boolean B1 is assigned false when we have a value of num, when we have a value of num which is greater than or equal to 100. So imagine that on a number line. All the values of num which are greater than or equal to 100. Then an else if num is greater than or equal to negative 100. So we only enter into this statement down here if num is less than or equal to 0. So if num is less than, because this part of the conditional is only for values of num which are greater than 0. So if num is less than or equal to 0 and num is greater than or equal to negative 100, B1 is also assigned the value false. So that would be all numbers from 0, we're only talking about the negatives here, from 0 all the way down to negative 100. Okay, so all of these values, if num is equal to any of these values, then B1 will be assigned the value of false. So what you have to do now is take a look at what you have below and see which values match what we have here. So if the red part is false, then let me change to a different color. This blue part will be the part that evaluates to true. So that is all the numbers from negative infinity all the way through to negative 100, and then from 0 to 100. So check that against your possible answer choices. So num is less than negative 100. Well, that doesn't work here. It doesn't work here. And then num is in between 0 and 100. That looks like answer choice E.